Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to block someone on Instagram. It's super easy and takes just a few steps. But first, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's quickly talk about why you might want to block someone on Instagram. Sometimes, you might have a friend who is bothering you or posting things you don't want to see. Blocking them can give you peace of mind and keep your Instagram experience enjoyable. So let's start the steps. Open your Instagram app on your phone, tap your profile icon and click on the followers section. Search for the person you want to block and open their profile. Now that you are on their profile, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the three dots and a menu will pop up. Choose the option says block. Instagram will ask you to confirm if you really want to block them. Just tap block again and you all are set. Alright, that's you have successfully blocked someone on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is a topic you would like me to cover next. Thank you for watching.